Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click bell icon. Today we are going to see auto backup module in Tally ERP9. This model helps you to secure your data. We go to Tally, we will see the customization. In Tally, we enable the customization. We go to Gateway of Tally, F11, press F11 and you go to menu company feature. Then you can press add on feature. You select this add on feature. Then it will ask enable auto backup module. Then you can click yes. Then accept, save it. Then we enable the customization module auto backup. We go to the process, go Gateway of Tally, F12, configure backup. You select this menu, configure backup. You click configure backup. It will ask configure features, yes. Then Tally path, which destination path you can need to give, you can give the destination path. Then backup here, backup event, which time we need to take backup. Here we have 4 options. One, Tally company close. Second one, load company. When we load the company, that time it will take data backup. Third one, Tally application end. When we close the Tally, it will take data backup. And final one, Tally application start. When we open the Tally application, that time it will take backup. First we will see one by one. First we will see close company, then backup data. You need to take all company backup data or particularly current company, which company we will working. I will working ABC company. If you want to take only working company, you will select current company. Otherwise you given selected company. How many companies you can give that company, it will be take backup. First we will see all companies, select all companies, then confirmation from user. It will ask if you want to take backup or not. If you will, user cannot give yes, that data will not take backup. That's why we will give confirmation from user no only. Then save it. First we given close company. I will close this time company, shut down company. In folder path we have only 2048, current time 2059. We will open data. We will close company, shut company. It will take backup. We will go there. It will time 9 PM. It will show 2100. 2100. Open that. It will take all company data. It will show TPK 900. This is default, and this is company number, company folder number, and it will take all list of companies in Tally ERP9. Then we check another feature, select company ABC company AA, and going to Gateway of Tally F12, configure configure backup. Then I will select load company. Load company means when we load company in Tally ERP9, it will take all company backups. Configuration from user, no only. Close the Tally. Yes, it will not take any backup. We will save that folder. We start application, Tally application. We select company, which company we need to. We will select this company, ABC Company Limited. We will give one A and password. I will open. It will take all backup. Why this will take backup? We will give one configuration. Configure backup. Load company. Load companies. When the company is load, it will automatically take backup from that particular folder. Will show that folder on October and time of 21/11, 21/2. Open. It will take all company data backup. Then we will see third method, configure backup. We will select Tally application end all companies. Then configuration no only. This is Tally application end. I will close the application. It will take backup. Will go. It will take 21/03 time up. It will take all backup. Then we go to final feature, Tally application start. You open Tally. Select company. Then we go to F12, configured backup. Then we will see last method, Tally application start. Select and all companies. Confirmation from user, no only. Then we can close the application. This time it will not take any backup. The time is 21/04. Then go to that folder. You will see there is nothing backup is taken. Then we will start Tally. This time Tally, we will give one Tally application start. We will open the application. It will take a backup. We will open the Tally. It will take backup, all company backup. We will not select any company. The application start, that time only it will take all backup. We will see that also. 21, it will take 21/04. It will take all the data backup. We will select the company. If you want customization, please contact us agstechedge@gmail.com. Please subscribe our channel, share our channel, like and comment. If you want new updated videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our channel. Thank you guys.